What's up, guys? I'm back, and we're here with the '98 Honda Civic. Well, it started running hot. Started running a little hot, and so we started. The fan went clicking on, so we replaced the relay. Fan started coming back on, whatnot. We ended up replacing the sensor and the top of it's not here, but the sensor right here, and it kept running hot. Then we noticed we was losing coolant, and I looked down on the side, and the water pump. And you got to remove all this crap to even. So yeah, you see the little corrosion. It's been leaking for a while. I noticed some metal flakes in the radiator, so that's when we decided we just go ahead and pull all the radiator hose, flushes everything out. Go ahead and replace the radiator with one of these Black Horse Racing aluminum radiators. You will, possibly have to bend this metal. I'm gonna take this out and bend this some more because I don't want it to rub a hole. But with the silicone hoses. Yeah, and it's a pain, especially this little tiny hose back here behind us. You have to cut that to fit because they don't fit that great. But we ain't got all that hooked up. I'm sorry we hadn't been able to film this as we go because I don't know nothing about these vehicles, so I'm just going as it. I thought the crank pulley would be a pain to break like the Accord, but it was actually not too bad with this tool, a breaker bar, and I ended up having to go out and get one of these like $15 half-inch extensions from Home Depot, I believe, or something like that, to reach where I could put a aluminum breaker bar on there, and it was cakewalk with a half-inch drive. Cakewalk, broke it loose easy, and now I'm working on getting the old water pump out. And we're doing the timing belt and whatnot. And yeah, fun. I'm sorry I couldn't go through and show you guys every step of the way because I'm just learning how to do this myself. But we got, OEM, so little OEM kit off eBay or something. It was about the best deal for the timing belt, the power steering belt, and water pump. So I'll put a link in the description. We'll keep going at it. Alright, we finally got our old water pump out. A little bit of corrosion, and it's pretty stiff. So yeah, we're gonna get that swapped out, and I guess I'm gonna have to put a jack under the motor, raise it up, undo these so I can slide the new timing belt on, whatnot, clean that up, get back to it. We got our new water pump, 4-bolt water pump thrown in there. I ended up removing this motor mount bracket to slide the new belt in. So yeah, we're gonna wipe it down some more and put that new belt on and just get this thing done. Alright, we got our crank pulley back on, our covers. I tightened the timing belt, similar to the Accord. There's a little plastic plug that you got to pop out before you put the cover on to tighten your nut up, and like the Accord. I don't know. I'm trying to compare this to the Accord. I don't know. I'm getting tired, but I tried for about 10 minutes to put this little plug back in, and I give up. So that ain't going back in. And I don't know if anybody else had that problem, but I'm not doing no more. But yeah, we pretty much got to put our belts back on and whatnot, and put the alternator bracket back on, all this junk down here. So we getting there. All right, we got the car back on the ground, all our belts back on. I just gotta hook up a couple hoses, put our new thermostat in, and yeah, put our coolant in and try it out. Yeah, it's getting there. I'm glad it's almost done. Alright, there it is, guys, all back together. Only thing left to do is mix my stuff. I got my distilled water and my pressed stones and my extra jug. Thanks for watching. See y'all on the next one.